Vinyl windows high springs. Florida homeowners looking for a reliable upgrade often choose vinyl windows because they combine durability, style, and value in one solution. Vinyl window replacement in High Springs, Florida can improve curb appeal, reduce drafts, and support better indoor comfort year-round. From residential windows to custom vinyl windows, the right selection can help create a cleaner, more efficient home exterior while keeping maintenance simple for busy families in High Springs, Florida. Energy-efficient windows are a major priority for many properties in High Springs, Florida, especially when cooling costs rise during hot Florida months. Double-pane windows, double-pane vinyl windows High Springs, and energy-efficient windows High Springs, Florida can help reduce heat transfer and support better insulation throughout the home. When paired with proper window insulation and window sealing, these upgrades can make a noticeable difference in comfort and energy performance. Vinyl windows High Springs should always be handled by experienced window contractors in High Springs, Florida who understand local weather demands and building needs. High Springs, Florida window installers can complete vinyl window installation with precision, whether the project involves new construction windows, retrofit work, or a full window frame replacement. High Springs, Florida job. Professional installation helps ensure a tight fit, long-term performance, and stronger protection against air leaks. For homeowners comparing materials, vinyl windows remain one of the most practical choices because they are low-maintenance windows that resist warping, peeling, and frequent repainting. Affordable vinyl windows High Springs, Florida provide a strong balance between cost and quality, while UPVC vinyl windows High Springs, Florida offer additional durability and long-lasting performance. Many residents in High Springs residential vinyl windows projects also appreciate how vinyl supports a clean, modern look with minimal upkeep. Vinyl windows High Springs replacement services often include a wide range of styles to match different home designs and preferences. Sliding vinyl windows High Springs work well for spaces that need easy operation, while casement vinyl windows High Springs, Florida offer excellent airflow and a secure seal when closed. Awning windows and other custom windows High Springs, Florida options can also be tailored to specific rooms, making it easier to improve both function and appearance. Impact-resistant windows High Springs, Florida are an important consideration for homes that need stronger protection during severe weather. Gulf Coast-rated vinyl windows High Springs can provide added confidence for homeowners who want durable residential windows built for Florida conditions. These impact windows High Springs, Florida options can support security, reduce storm-related concerns, and work well alongside window retrofit upgrades for older properties. Sound-reducing windows are another popular choice for High Springs homeowners who want a quieter indoor environment. Soundproof windows High Springs, Florida can help reduce outside noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby activity, especially in busy parts of town. When combined with high-quality vinyl windows High Springs, Florida, these products can improve privacy and comfort while still offering attractive window grid options and a polished exterior finish. Window sealing services High Springs, Florida are often a smart follow-up to replacement projects or maintenance work. Proper sealing helps protect against moisture intrusion, air leakage, and energy loss, especially around older windows that may need extra support. Homeowners who invest in window sealing, window insulation, and replacement windows can often improve overall performance without unnecessary disruption to the home. High Springs home window upgrades are not limited to one style or budget, which is why custom vinyl windows and vinyl replacement windows High Springs, Florida continue to be in demand. Whether the project involves window replacement, vinyl window repair High Springs, or full vinyl window installation, the goal is the same: better comfort, better efficiency, and better value for the home. Many property owners also choose custom vinyl windows High Springs to match architectural details and personal design goals. New construction windows in High Springs, Florida should be selected carefully to support long-term performance and visual consistency. Builders and homeowners often choose sliding vinyl windows, casement windows, or awning windows depending on the room layout and functional needs. High Springs, Florida new construction windows can also be paired with window grid options and energy-efficient windows to create a finished result that looks great and performs well from day one. Window frame replacement. High Springs, Florida can be a smart solution when existing frames are damaged, inefficient, or no longer aligned properly. In many cases, upgrading to vinyl window replacement in High Springs, Florida allows homeowners to improve insulation and appearance at the same time. For those seeking practical, affordable, and attractive results, High Springs, Florida Replacement Window Company services can deliver residential windows, custom windows, and vinyl windows. High Springs, Florida solutions built for local homes and local weather.